This is Windows 8.1, and it's very much like Windows 10. Down, if I put my mouse in this lower left corner, these 4 tiles appear. If I right click, I get a menu pop up. I can go and select different items. Let's say I want to see what's in my system. I just click on System, and it comes up with my operating systems, Windows 8.1, and I have an i5-3340 CPU, 3.10 gigahertz clock speed, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 64-bit operating system. So it gives me basically the same information that we saw in Windows 10, or we see in Windows 10. Here I can go to Device Manager, Remote Settings. I can go to Control Panel Home. And in Control Panel Home, I have everything set to have a large icon. How you do that is View By. Over here, click on this arrow. Now, normally, when you first set up a computer, the View By is category. I'm not very familiar with, or not very, don't like this very much, in other words. And I like to have icons, so I will change it to large icons. Now everything has its own icon. Here we have all the icons we need for setting up a computer to run Creative Studio. Go to Network and Sharing, change the adapter settings, find my Ethernet. This is my Ethernet 2. This is one that's on the motherboard that doesn't work very well. So I can right click, click Properties, go down and find Internet Protocol 4, highlight it, click on Properties, and then there's my IP address right there, 192.168.0.200 in the top row. When you get this top row filled in and you click in the second row, it will automatically fill in. Go down to the bottom row and put in your numbers, 192.168.0.1. Click OK, click Close, and you have your IP address in the Ethernet controller card. And you know, there's other things you can go and do in your network, or not network, but your control panel. I go to Control Panel Home. Here you can turn off your Windows firewall. You can change your user account settings. You need to go to Power and change it so that the monitor and the computer never go to sleep. So this is just some general quick ways of getting around in Windows 8.1, and it's basically the same in Windows 10. So I just wanted to give you a little bit of helpful ideas for getting around in Windows 7, 8.1, Windows 10.